Today we have with us the Realme Buds Wireless Pro. So these are neckband style wireless Bluetooth earphones. You can see that on the box it says active noise cancellation, which is pretty rare at a budgetary price point. At the back of the box you can see it has active noise cancellation up to 35 dB. It comes with Sony LDAC high-res audio, which is the LDAC codec support. It has 22 hours of battery playback, which is pretty sizable for neckband style earphones. It comes with magnetic instant connect. So when you magnetically connect the earphones, it turns off, and when you separate them, it turns on. It also comes with transparency mode, which heightens the ambient sounds and lets you be more aware of your surroundings. It has pretty sizable 13.6 mm bass boost driver. It also comes with fast charge, which means 5 minutes of charge will lead to 100 minutes of playback, which is great. You also have super low latency mode, which is of 119 milliseconds, which is pretty low when it comes to Bluetooth headphones. Now let's open up the box and see what we have in here. We have some instructions right here. And you also have the functions of the buttons given right here. Now you can see that the earphones are nicely slotted into their position. We're going to set them aside. You also have a few accessories down here in this little slot. A user manual. As you can see, it also has the warranty information right here. And it also comes with a how to use manual, how to pair, how to use the buttons, what are the specifications of the device, and what's in the box. So let's set this aside. A charging cable in here, which is a standard USB type A to type C charging cable. It's rather short and it comes in the yellow color, which is consistent across the packaging as well as the earphones. You also get 2 additional silicone tips in here. So you can see that this also comes with a yellow and black dual tone, which is similar to the earphones. It's nice that Realme has maintained this consistency throughout its design language. These are the small size, while the other ones are the large size. We're guessing the medium ones are fitted on the earbuds themselves. So now let's set all of this aside and bring the neckband style earphones in. They have this yellow wire made out of rubber. It's pretty nice to the touch. It has a flexible neckband at the back here, which is also made out of rubber. And then you have these more solid plastic modules. On the left hand side, you don't really have anything on the module. You just have a very subtle Realme branding right here, if you can see it. On the right hand side, however, is where all the action is. So first of all, you have a volume plus and a volume minus button. Then you have the middle button, which is multifunction button. And lastly, you have this button right here, which is the ANC button. So this one turns ANC on, turns it off, and turns on transparent mode. It cycles through these modes. And you also have a tiny LED indicator right here. To the side, you have a little flap which opens up to the USB-C charging port. And that's about it for the neckband. Now let's come to the earbuds themselves. As you can see, these have magnetic rear housings which make them attach together magnetically. This is pretty neat for when they're lying idly on your chest. When they're not in use, they'll just attach to each other and not dangle around a lot. So as you can see, we don't really have an on and off switch here. It is just the magnetic connection itself. Now you also have a matte black and glossy black dual tone finish happening on the earphones. And they're pretty ergonomic earphones. You have the slight angle when it comes to nozzles, which helps in the fit better. And yes, they are looking to be pretty nice pair of wireless earphones. So that's about it for the unboxing of the Realme Buds Wireless Pro neckband style wireless earphones. Thank you so much for watching this video.